Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will know that how to disable core isolation in Windows 11. So let's start the video. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe the channel. Here you can find for more fix for related to desktop, laptop and other software. So let's start the video. The first method is type here core isolations under search option core isolation. After that, click on this option core isolation. So click on this option turn off and restart your laptop and desktop. After that your core isolation will get disabled here. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you so much.